Hello Piedmont seniors. I am going to show you how one way you can to back up your Google Drive folders before the Union County Public Schools will deactivate your account at the end of June. You can certainly just download them directly to a flash drive, but if you want to move them to a personal Google account, I've had several students ask how to do that, so hopefully this might show you how to do that so you're sure you do not lose anything that you might need next year, perhaps when you go to college or to work. So the first thing you want to do is you want to be in your Union County Public School Google Drive, and I would recommend that you create a new folder. I would just call it Piedmont Backup. You can be creative and call it anything you want to, but just create one folder. And from there, what you want to do is move everything, every file, every folder that you have into your Google Drive into this one folder. Now this is my directory, so I have a lot, but I'm just going to move one folder in there just for demonstration purposes. Once you have all of your files into your backup folder, you can right mouse click on it, and then you want to share this with your personal Google Drive. Now I'm going to use a different account that I have for school. We're going to pretend this is your personal account, and you are going to share it with that account. So that is going to be step one. Then what you want to do is you want to go over into your personal Google account, and you should see that in your shared with me, your folder should be there. The biggest issue that we see is you just leave it here and don't do anything else, but it is still connected to Union County Schools server, so you need to permanently transfer. To do that, you need to go to My Drive. I'm going to create another folder called the same thing, Piedmont Backup. Remember, this is in your My Drive option. And then what you can do is come down here to your Shared with Me. You can open it up and you can select all of your files and right mouse click and move to. You want to be sure that you are moving them to your drive and into this folder, and you can move them there. And of course you can just carry on with that prompt. Then when you come back over to My Drive, you should see all of your folders here, and they should no longer be connected to Union County Public Schools. I cannot stress the importance enough to actually create a new folder and move them from the Shared with Me. Otherwise, they are still linked to Union County Schools, and when your accounts are deactivated at the end of June, you would lose all of those. Files, you might not want to back up all your files, but common ones that students contact us about would be resumes, perhaps projects, PowerPoint presentations or Google presentations, research papers. Those are some of the big ones that students often call and ask if they can get. So good luck. If you have any questions, you can email me, donna.helms@ucps.k12.nc.us, and I will try to give you individualized assistance, but I hope this helps.